bird on a tree. I'm just sitting.
Hi everyone, my name's Colette. Welcome to Colette's Thermy Kitchen. Now tonight I'm doing a very special dinner and it's what I call Max's layered dinner. So this is Max the Moodle. Max, look at the camera. Who's that? Look at the camera. Say hi. Hi. So Max's first year, he had so many problems with his digestion, and eventually I decided to make my own food for Max. And seriously, since that point, every meal he has is food that I've made in the Thermomix, and I'm going to show you tonight my layered doggy dinner. So thank you, Max, you superstar. You can head off down and play with your toys. We'll come back to you and you can have a taste test later. So Max has a very simple diet. He has his biscuits in the morning, and this is his dinner that he has every night. And I have to say, since I made the switch, he is super regular and his teeth are beautiful and he has the most beautiful coat. So I just put that down to his food. So let's get going. So the first thing I've actually got in the Thermomix already is I've got some parsley, some carrots and pumpkin, and I just want to give those a little bit of a chop. So I reckon just about 2 seconds to try, rather do too less than too much, at speed number 4. Let's have a little look. Yeah, so that's chopped nicely in a Max size bite, so I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these veggies. So as I said, I've got pumpkin, carrot and parsley. Parsley and herbs are really good for dogs. They're good for their organs, but also good for their fresh breath. And we all know that dogs' breaths can sometimes be a bit nasty. So what I'm going to do with these is to pop them onto the Varoma tray. And then what I'm going to do is to add to that some peas. Now you can use, you know, whatever veggies you think you have, and you might like zucchini. So there you go, we've got Max's veggies: parsley, carrots, pumpkin and peas. Does that sound good, Max? Yum! So what's going to happen, that's going to go on top of the Varoma. Now in the Varoma I've got some minced turkey or ground turkey, and that is the meat that Max enjoys most. It's low fat, it's nice and healthy for him. So I'm going to put that in, and notice how I've left gaps so I can get the steam to circulate and cook that. And this is going to sit on top, and then I'm just going to pop the lid on and pop that to one side for a moment. The next stage of Max's dinner is I'm going to pour into the bowl. I haven't bothered to wash it. I'm going to pour in a litre of tap hot water, and in the basket I have got some rice that I have washed out, and I'm going to pop that into the Thermomix bowl, and then I'm going to pop that into position. So the lid is going to go on, and the Varoma is going to go into position. So just to recap, what we've got is we've got tap hot water in here, we have got rice in the basket, we have got ground turkey in the dish of the Varoma, and in the Varoma I've got a selection of vegetables and herbs. Now all I need to do is let the Thermomix work its magic and cook all of that, and that's going to be cooked for 15 minutes. At Varoma temperature, at speed number 4. The initial 15 minutes is up, so that tells me the rice is ready, and it's going to give me an opportunity to stir the veggies and the chicken and put those on for another few minutes. So taking off the Varoma, I'm just going to set that to one side. And in the bowl, I am just going to pop out that rice, which is all cooked. Now I've used white rice today. You can use wholemeal rice. Max just, I think, prefers how easy the white rice is to digest. So that's going to go into this bowl here. And you can see how beautifully cooked that is. That was just 15 minutes. So that's going to go to one side. And then I'm going to continue cooking this for a little bit longer. So the veggies still not quite done, which is to be expected. And what I need to do is just give this meat just a little bit of a stir, because it won't be cooked in the middle, but it will be cooked on the outside. So we're just about there. 2 more minutes and I think we will be done. So making sure we always leave gaps for the air as a steam to circulate. So the lid's going back on. The Varoma is going into position. The Varoma tray is going into position. And the Varoma lid is going on. So that now is just going to be cooked, let's say about 3 minutes will be perfect. At Varoma temperature, at speed number 4. Actually speed number 1, because we're just steaming at the moment. So the turkey has been done, and I've just added that in with the rice, and I continued to cook the veggies because they were still just a little bit hard for a couple more minutes. They have now been done. So all I need to do is to add these into the mix. And I'm just going to add a little splash of olive oil. And we are done. So mixing that through. So all of these are good for your dogs. And if you're not sure about a veggie or something, just Google it. You'll find lots of advice. And of course, you can always go and ask your vet. So there we go. That's Max's dinner. He is waiting eagerly. He can smell it being cooked. So I'm just going to wait for that to cool down, and then I'm going to give it to him for his dinner tonight. Now you can either pop that into a container and that will last a good few days in the fridge, or you can portion it out into Ziploc bags and freeze it and take a bag out each day. That way it's going to be a little bit fresher for your puppies, your fur babies. So there you go. That's Max's layered dinner.